Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Easy Learning. Today we are going to learn about common factors. That is factors they have in common. In our previous lesson, we talked about factors of a number. Remember, I told you that 1 is a factor of every number. Number 2, every number is a factor of itself. Number 3, the factors of a number is always less than or equal to the number. The number for every number except 1 has at least 2 factors. That is 1 and the number itself. Example, factors of 7 are 1 and 7. These are the things to note when we are talking about factors of a number. Then, look at this number we have here. Find the common factors of 16 and 32. First of all, we will find all the factors of 16 and 32 before we now look for their common factors. Let's look at the factors of 16. What are the factors of 16? 1 times 16 is equals to 16. 2 times 8 gives you the number 16. 4 times 4 will give you the number 16. So there is no other number that can multiply itself to give you the number 16. So what you are going to do is to bring out the factors of 16. So factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Let us find the factors of 32. 1 times what will give you number 32? 1 times 32. 2 multiply 16 will give you number 32. 4 times 8 will give you the number 32. So we are going to bring out the factors of 32. Now we are going to look at the factors they have in common. What are the common factors of 16 and 32? The common factors are, they have 1 here, 1 is here, 1 here, bring out 1. They have 1 in common, 2 here, 2 here. We have 2, 4 here, 4 here. We have 4, 8 here, 8 here. We have 8, 16 here, 16 here. We have 16. So these are their common factors. 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So these are their common factors. 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So these are the common factors of 16 and 32. I believe you understood my lesson today. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and follow my Facebook page for more interesting topics. Thank you very much and God bless. Bye.